If you're battling with dark spots, today is your lucky day because I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always dropping by. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please tap the subscribe button below so that you can get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to get rid of dark spots on the face. So if you're someone struggling with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone on your face, then you definitely need to keep on watching because I'll be showing you all the products you need to get rid of those dark spots and pigmentations on your face. So let's dive right into it. Dark spots is one of the most common skincare issue that a lot of people tend to battle with. If you're battling with dark spots, you need to understand that you're not alone. So before I go ahead to show you products that can clear out your dark spots, you need to understand the various causes of these dark spots because most of these dark spots, which is also known as hyperpigmentation, occur as a result of overproduction of melanin on the skin. So in order for you to be able to treat your dark spots, you need to be able to control this melanin production for you to have that even beautiful glowing skin. Once you're able to inhibit production of melanin on your skin, you're definitely going to have that even skin tone, and you're going to notice that even your pimples will not be able to leave dark spots on your face any longer. So now I'm going to go ahead to show you guys some of the best ways to get rid of your dark spots. So first things first is a sunscreen. So some of the things that you're going to need if you really want to get rid of your dark spots is a sunscreen. You need to have a sunscreen in your skincare routine if you really want to get rid of your dark spots. Do you know that your dark spots and hyperpigmentation can get worse if you expose your skin to the sun without using a sunscreen? That is a simple truth. So for you to be able to get rid of your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or uneven skin tone, you need to include a sunscreen in your skincare routine. Look for sunscreens that have SPF 30 and above. They are definitely going to help protect and shield your skin away from the sun. If you're confused on what sunscreen to get, I actually have a video on the best sunscreens that you can use on your face. So try to always apply and reapply your sunscreen before you step out from your house. That way, you're going to be able to shield and give your skin the maximum protection it needs from the sun. So next up is to exfoliate your face. See, when you gently exfoliate your skin, it's definitely going to help fade your dark spots with time. So like I said in my face scrub video, avoid using harsh or physical scrubs on your face. Chemical exfoliants are the best because they are going to gently exfoliate your skin and promote an even brighter glowing skin. You need to avoid scrubbing your face with harsh scrubs like sugar scrubs, coffee scrubs, because the skin on your face is delicate. So now we are going to be talking about the different ingredients that can actually help with your dark spots. So if you really want to get rid of the dark spots on your face, you need to look out for skincare ingredients like niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, azelaic acid, retinol, alpha-hydroxy acids, and hydroquinone. All these are effective skincare ingredients that will help to get rid of your dark spots. So if you're buying any cream, soap, or body lotion, then you definitely need to look out for any of these ingredients in them. So you can definitely use any soap, cream, or serums that contains one or two or more of these ingredients to get rid of your dark spots. So because I don't want to take too much of your time, I've actually taken out time to pick out some of my favorite skincare products for dark spots. So if you're battling with dark spots on your face, these are products that are going to help treat and get rid of your dark spots. So if you're looking for treatment products for your dark spots, definitely give any of these products a try. Like all these products, they are tested and trusted. So the first product I'm going to recommend you use for dark spots on your face is this the ordinary alpha-arbutin serum. This is actually one of the best face serums to use for your dark spots. So if you're someone battling with dark spots on your face, I'm definitely going to recommend you try out this alpha-arbutin serum. This contains 2% alpha-arbutin and is not only going to clear out your dark spots, it's also going to help brighten up your face. Alpha-arbutin is a natural form of hydroquinone. So this is one potent ingredient that is definitely going to clear your dark spots in no time. So if you're using this alpha-arbutin serum alone, it's actually going to take longer for you to see the effect. But one secret I'm going to give you is, if you're using the serum, try and pair it with your vitamin C serum, and you're going to see your dark spots clear out like magic. So this is a very nice product to use for your dark spots, hyperpigmentations, and uneven skin tone. So the next or second product I'm going to be recommending you use for your facial dark spots is this niacinamide serum. And I actually love the ones from The Ordinary and the one from Good Molecules. So using any of this niacinamide serum is definitely going to help treat and clear out your acne and dark spots. So if you're someone struggling with dark spots on your face, you definitely need to use or incorporate niacinamide serum in your skincare routine. It's going to clear and get rid of your dark spots in no time. This is one ingredient that a lot of people swear by when it comes to treating dark spots, because it's very effective for all skin types and complexion, and it's going to help clear out your dark spots and give you that brighter glowing skin. So the next or third product I'll recommend you use for your dark spots is this faded tropical serum. See, this is one of my favorite products for treating dark spots on the face, and I'm going to tell you why. I recommended this faded tropicals for a client based in US. She had terrible breakouts and dark spots on her face, and guys, within 3 weeks of using this faded tropicals, like, her face got a lot brighter and her dark spots were almost cleared out. So this is a very nice product to use if you're struggling or battling with facial dark spots. It's going to clear all of that out in no time. I love the formulation of this faded tropicals. The fact that it's formulated with different ingredients that help to treat dark spots is one amazing thing about this product. It's formulated with ingredients like niacinamide, kojic acid, azelaic acid, melatonin. I also love the fact that it's well balanced out with hydrating and moisturizing ingredients like centella. It doesn't feel drying on the face. It's a very nice serum that is going to gently absorb into your skin. So if you're battling with dark spots or pigmentations on your face, definitely give this a try. You're going to love using it. It retails at the price of $38 on their website. So this is very effective for anyone that wants to get rid of their dark spots. So the next or fourth product I recommend you use for dark spots on your face is azelaic acid. And I love this one from The Ordinary. It works like magic and is very affordable. So this is a very nice product that you might want to include in your skincare routine if you're battling with dark spots. It will clear out all your facial dark spots and give you that smooth, softer, glowing skin. It's also good for people battling with textured skin. This is definitely going to help smoothen out your face and give you that spotless, glowing face. So all you need to do is to incorporate it in your skincare products. You can definitely use this both morning and night to clear out your dark spots. This is very gentle on the face and is suitable for all skin types, especially for those with a sensitive skin. So if you're battling with skin redness, or maybe your skin feels irritated using acids on your skin, then you might want to try out azelaic acid. You're definitely going to love it. The price ranges from 5,000 to 6,000 depending on where you're getting it from. So it's a very nice and effective product to clear out your dark spots. The last product I recommend you use if you have dark spots on your face is the Skin Sourcicals Vitamin C Serum. See, Skin Sourcicals Vitamin C Serum is one of the best and potent vitamin C serums that will help to clear out your dark spots. It's so effective. I love the fact that it's formulated with 12% vitamin C serum. So this is actually going to help clear out your dark spots in no time. So Skin Sourcicals Vitamin C Serum is actually one of the best and tested vitamin C serums that I will tell you for a fact that is going to help clear out your dark spots. You can use any other vitamin C serum of your choice. For me, I've actually been using this Russian vitamin C serum and it still works perfectly for dark spots. So if you can afford to get the Skin Sourcicals Vitamin C serum, I'll definitely recommend you use that. Or better still, you can go for a more cheaper option. Like, this retails at the price of 2,000 naira, whereas the Skin Sourcicals Vitamin C serum retails at the price range of 9,000 to 12,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So any of this is definitely going to help improve your dark spots. So another secret I'm going to be sharing with you is you can actually pair your vitamin C serum with your niacinamide serum to have the best and faster results. Like pairing the two together will clear out your dark spots in no time. So yeah, just try that and see. So those are my favorite products for treating dark spots on the face. So you can either choose to get one or two of the products, and it's definitely going to help clear out your dark spots. Now, another thing you also need to do when trying to treat your dark spots is to always moisturize your face. The fact that you have dark spots or breakouts does not mean you should not moisturize your skin. You need to moisturize your skin because some of these ingredients can actually be drying on the skin. So, in summary, the first steps that you need to take when treating your dark spots is to always use a sunscreen. Secondly, get a chemical exfoliant. And thirdly, you need to ensure that you get a treatment product, like one or two of these products will definitely clear out your dark spots. So you need to incorporate that into your skincare routine. And lastly, do not forget to moisturize your skin. So these are 4 steps that will help you to get rid of the dark spots on your face. So all you need to do is to build a good skincare routine for your face and add your treatment products and sunscreen and exfoliants. That way you can easily get rid of your dark spots. So one thing you also need to understand when treating dark spots is that your dark spot treatment is not going to work overnight. So you need to stay consistent with them to see results. So in other words, give it time depending on the severity of your dark spots. So yeah, that is it on how to get rid of dark spots on the face. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.